Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated products in the automotive world, the Pollak 31297 3-position ignition starter switch. If you're looking for reliability, durability, and smooth performance, look no further because this ignition switch is one of the best in its class. Let's start by talking about the features that make the Pollak 31297 so great. This ignition switch is designed with 3 positions: off, ignition, and start, offering you complete control over your vehicle's electrical system. The momentary start function ensures that your engine starts with ease and reliability, making it a key component for any vehicle, whether it's a car, truck, or even some heavy-duty equipment. What sets this ignition switch apart is its universal-type die-cast housing, built to withstand the elements and the test of time. With a mechanical life of up to 50,000 cycles, you won't have to worry about constant replacements or maintenance. It's a long-lasting solution that can handle the daily wear and tear of starting your engine multiple times a day. The switch is also designed with a 30-amp current rating, which makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles and equipment. Its blade-type connector is easy to work with, and it's suitable for many automotive setups. If you're working on a DIY project or a restoration, this switch is a great fit. Installing the Pollak 31297 is straightforward. The die-cast housing is built for durability, and it's engineered to ensure a perfect fit. Whether you're replacing an old switch or upgrading your current system, this product promises a hassle-free installation process. What's great about this switch is how it delivers performance consistently, day after day. The smooth operation of the switch, combined with its robust construction, makes it the perfect solution for anyone needing a reliable ignition starter switch. Whether you're working on classic cars or modern vehicles, the Pollak 31297 gets the job done with ease. To wrap up, if you're looking for the best Pollak ignition switch, the 31297 is an excellent choice. It combines durability, reliability, and ease of use, making it one of the top-rated options on the market. Thanks for watching this review here on Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and leave a comment if you've used the Pollak 31297 yourself. Until next time, drive safely.